Today I'm not showing my face, but this is Adell Happy, and this is my video of slimes right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slime here, and you know what? We're ready to open. I don't know this one this time. What's that? But this one's kind of good, and this one too. Well, this one is. So let's get started with the biggest to smallest. This one is kind of cool. Let's take it out. Whoa. There's a penny inside. I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. There's a penny inside. I'm just going to take it out. There's a penny inside. So here's my slime. Here's my slime. Big slime, huh? Just going to put it here. Smushed up. And now let's check out. Oh, God, now let's check out this one over here. Dun, dun, dun. Well, it's not so dun, dun, dun. Let's see. It's sticky. I know it's blue color. I love this blue skin color. I mean blue slime color. Let's see. Let's put this one over here. This one smushes a lot. So let's see the 3 colored rose slimes.
Rainbow.
Let's see our rainbow slimes, and let's see. Whoa, this is a cool pink one. I like it. It's kind of like reddish pink. I don't know. Oh, that's okay. And now we're opening. I don't know what kind of other one we're opening, but okay. Yeah, this is the yellow color of the rainbow. Come on, let's see it. Finally. Okay, so this is our, oh my gosh. It's so translucent, guys. That looks so cool. Let's put it down here in the other slime. Just like the mom slime, this is the baby slime. They're like so similar. Okay, so let's see the 2-pack. That one was easy, guys. Okay, so this is so translucent too, but the yellow's more translucent. This is so glittery, guys. Whoa. Now let's put it here. Okay, so now finally we're getting to open. Hey, that was a slime. Now let's open this one. Whoa, guys. It's so cool. I love it. Haven't seen it before. It has little sprinkles. Guys, it has some blue sprinkles and some orange ones and some yellow ones, but the most of them fell. I don't know. There's none inside. I don't know. And so, guys, hope you enjoy this totally rainbowy, awesome video with me and Awesome Privence. So, bye, guys. I hope you enjoy all of the slimes in the video. Well, you have a good strategy. See you tomorrow in my next video. Bye, guys. Banana split.